Throw ice into your sandwich toaster. It will be clean in seconds, without the hassle of scrubbing off burnt bits. If your sandwich toaster is used often, it can be hard to clean. Some people stop using it because they don't know how to clean it. But the method is simple. Take your toaster and some ice cubes in a bowl. Put the ice cubes into the toaster. Even overlapping is fine. Close the toaster and turn it on for a few minutes. The high heat and steam from the melting ice will dissolve the burnt residue. It's perfect for anyone who wants a quick and easy cleaning solution without damaging the appliance. Then, turn off the toaster, grab a microfiber cloth, and wipe away all the dirt. You don't need any special tools. Try it out, and you'll be amazed at how spotless your toaster becomes with just ice. Your toaster will look like new without any chemicals. Regularly using this method will keep your appliance in perfect condition for a long time